Hello, this is Dustin with Home Mender, and today we're going to be talking about casement windows. We're here to take some of the mystery out of replacing the handles. Ideal Security was cool enough to sponsor this video. They've been in business 60 years. They are a family-owned company, and I just like working with them because they're about customer service and good products and reliability. So I'm going to show you a little bit about replacing your handles on casement windows. Let's get to it. So the two parts we're going to talk about today, the spline and the operator, aka handle and crank. Now Ideal has 4 different kinds. They have the fixed, the fold down, the fold away, and the butterfly. We've got the fold down handle, folds down neatly into the sill. We have the fixed casement handle, which is just that. You stick it on there and it does nothing but open the window. Now the fold away folds back into itself and tucks itself away. It's pretty cool. And last is the butterfly, or the T window handle. Now not all handles are compatible with all splines, but Ideals are compatible with most of them out there. Now depending on what kind of handle you choose, they're either going to be the snap-on kind or the set screw. Now the snap-on doesn't have a screw in it, it just snaps on. But the set screw comes with a little screw that you need to loosen so you can remove it, and then after you install the new one, you just tighten it down. So before ordering, you're definitely going to want to remove your handle and check your spline. Now this handle doesn't have a set screw, so it must be a snap-on. Gently put a screwdriver in between the handle and the operator and pry off. Now you're going to want to measure the base of your spline. There are a few different sizes out there, 9/32, 11/16, 3/8. The easiest way is to count the number of teeth. Also check for a notch. So counting the teeth can be difficult. Here's a trick. What I like to do is use a marker and mark my first one, and that way I can count the rest of them with the tip of the marker and you won't really lose your count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I've got 12 teeth. We know our size spline and we know the number of teeth. Going with the snap-on, we simply push it on. And done. Now if you are using the set screw kind like this, you're going to want to loosen this screw. It opens it up, you slip it onto the spline and tighten it down. So that's it. I hope we took some of the mystery out of replacing your encasement window handles. If you want to check out Ideal, there's going to be links down in the description to their website and their products. They're awesome. Check them out. So for Home Mender, this is Dustin. I hope you learned something today, and if you did, don't forget to click subscribe. Thanks for watching.